going to make a traditional goat curry with some Matar Pilau. So to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I've added 1.5 medium-sized onions that has been finely chopped. I'm adding a tablespoon of ginger paste. So adding a heaped tablespoon of garlic paste. Now both the ginger and garlic paste are heaped. Pan on yet, but I've added a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of half a teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm using my pressure cooker. So I added almost a pound of mutton that has been washed and cut inside the pressure cooker. I'm adding 3 cups of water. Stir and then pressure cook it on medium heat for about 40 minutes. And to be on the safe side, I'll just add 1 more cup. So I've added a total of 4 cups of water, and now I'll give everything a good stir and pressure cook it on medium heat for 40 minutes. The pressure cooker. Within your 40 minutes of pressure cooking, open your pressure cooker 20 minutes and give everything a good stir, and also it gives you a chance to check on how things are doing. Things look fine, and that was the purpose of adding 4 cups of water. So pressure cook, continue pressure cooking it for further 20 minutes and then check the pressure cooker for further 20 minutes. Matar Pilau, and we have about 1.5 tablespoons of oil in here, and 1 small onion that I'm going to lightly brown, and we're going to make it light pink. Some whole garam masala, which includes 2 cinnamon sticks that have been split, cut down into smaller pieces, 3 badi ilachi, the black ilachis that you can see here, 8 or 9 whole black peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and about 8 cloves. See that separately I blended 1.5 tomatoes and 2 green chilies for the goat curry. After 40 minutes, now I will check if the meat is soft. It's nice and soft, and at this time I'm going to add the tomato paste. The meat is nice and soft, and this time I'm going to add the tomato puree. Add a tablespoon of coriander powder, add a teaspoon of jeera powder, and add a teaspoon of garam masala. I'll adjust the salt. When it comes to a boil, I'll add some salt to taste. I'll add my rice, which I washed and soaked for about 20 to 30 minutes. About 30 minutes. My rice has been soaking for 30 minutes, and you see that the bay leaf is sticking around. I will take it off once this pilau is cooked. I've adjusted the salt to my taste, and I'm giving everything a good stir, and at this point I'm going to take the heat to medium-low and cover this pan for 10 minutes. There we go. On the other hand, I'll give my goat curry a good mix, and at this point I want to adjust all my salt is intact, my green chilies are just the way I want it, the meat is reasonably soft. And because I want to cook it really fast, I'm just going to give it a pressure cook it for 5 minutes on medium. I cooked my rice for about 7 minutes, and this is what they look like. And I'm going to give everything a good mix. And at this point, if you want to remove the bay leaves, you can. Which is what I'm doing. Moving the heat to low now, and cook this rice for a further 5 minutes. And I will put the lid on. Cook the rice for further 5 minutes on low heat. I ended up pressure cooking it for a further 10 minutes, and you can see that the oil has separated. I'll add some cilantro. 2 to 3 tablespoons of cilantro. And my curry is ready. You can reduce the gravy if you want, but I am having it with gravy, as I tend to as I this goat curry with our Matar Pilau here. So like, enjoy and share it, and I'll also cut some salad to go along with it. Where I have finely kind of cut arugula. You could use lettuce if you have any of the greens that you may like. Full of arugula, I'm going to add 1 diced cucumber. I'll also add 1 thinly sliced tomato. It's optional. If you want a kick, you can add it. And I'm going to add half a green chili, half to 1 if you like. I'm also going to add a quarter of an onion that has been sliced into strips. You can add half if you want. Lemon juice. And I'll add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of lemon juice or lime juice. Sprinkle some salt in your salad to taste, and then mix everything inside. Here was my wholesome meal for today, and I've got Matar Pilau with goat curry and a salad. Do try it, enjoy it, and I'm going to make a video of this from start to finish. Do make it for your family. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. See you later. Like, subscribe and share. Bye for now.